Hi, my name is Mattias Klum. I'm a filmmaker, artist, and photographer, normally based in Sweden. But as you might see, this is far from Sweden. This is Brazil's Mata Atlântica rainforest. It's been fragmented, so it's only 8% left, which makes it actually one of the planet's most endangered ecosystems and rainforests. I'm here to make a new book together with Alex Antonelli, and I tried to capture the subtlety, the soul of the forest, if you may. And when I do that, sometimes I need to enhance the beauty. And that's what photography can be all about. It's capturing the beauty, but sometimes enhancing the beauty. And we're right now under the equator, so the light in the rainforest can be quite harsh. So in this case, I use a Profoto B30, and it's actually remarkably sturdy and extremely professional, which gives me the subtlety, the softness that I think this specific or this particular ecosystem deserves.